Jamaican oxtail and fried chicken feast, full breakdown in 3 minutes. Welcome to another amazing food breakdown. Today, we're diving into a delicious Jamaican feast featuring tender oxtail and broad beans, crispy fried chicken, rice and peas, mashed potatoes, and a fresh salad. Stick around because this plate is packed with mouth-watering flavors you won't want to miss. Let's start with the star of the plate, Jamaican oxtail and broad beans. This dish is slow cooked to perfection, allowing the meat to get fall off the bone tender, soaking up all the rich seasonings. The broad beans add an extra creamy texture, blending perfectly with the deep, savory gravy. Every bite is packed with bold Caribbean spices. We're talking scallions, thyme, pimento, and a touch of Scotch bonnet pepper for that signature island kick. The best part? The gravy! You know a good oxtail when the gravy is thick, rich, and dripping over the rice. Now let's talk about the crispy fried chicken. This isn't just any fried chicken. This is Jamaican-style, seasoned all the way through before being fried to a golden, crunchy perfection. The outside is crispy and flavorful, while the inside stays juicy and tender. This pairs perfectly with the oxtail, giving you the best of both worlds, rich and saucy versus crispy and crunchy. Now, no Jamaican meal is complete without rice and peas. This isn't just plain rice, it's cooked with kidney beans, coconut milk, and fresh herbs and spices, giving it that classic fragrant taste. Every grain is soft and fluffy, soaking up all the oxtail gravy to make every bite even better. A true Jamaican staple. Next up, we have mashed potatoes, a creamy, buttery side that balances out the bold flavors on the plate. And for a little freshness, we've got a simple yet refreshing salad with crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, sliced cucumbers, and a drizzle of dressing. The perfect way to round out this hearty meal. This plate is the ultimate combination: tender oxtail, crispy fried chicken, flavorful rice and peas, smooth mashed potatoes, and a fresh, crunchy salad. Every bite is packed with that authentic Caribbean flavor. Now I want to hear from you. What's your favorite Jamaican dish? Are you team oxtail, team fried chicken, or both? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you love food like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more delicious breakdowns. Thanks for watching. More amazing food content coming soon. Stay tuned.